So there it was. Wanted to update the Route 6 Tourist Association WordPress-powered happenings blog, and up pops this message: error, cookies are blocked, are not supported by your browser, or you must enable cookies to use WordPress. I'd never seen that before. But anyway, I went in and I Googled and looked all over, and I found a link that told me how to do it for the Vivaldi browser. In the Vivaldi browser, you open the settings up in the top left under the V, select Privacy and Settings from the left menu. You know what? I could show you better than I could tell you. Maybe. Yeah, there's what I'm talking about. Privacy and security. And then you scroll way down to website permissions. You select the domain that you want to affect. And then at the very bottom of that domain is the option for cookies. And select from the drop-down, you want to select session only, and bazinga, you got her done. Remember, I've got them, so you can get them. Go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com and you get the text link that has those steps spelled out. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.